What's up, everybody? Matt here with On the Fly Comics, day 42, Adventures in Making Comics. Just sketching some demons for no reason at all.
Pick up My Demon Babysitter issue 1 at otfcomics.com.
And so I'm just kind of hanging out outside today. It's only about a bajillion degrees, but I'm still doing it anyways. I have a nice cool studio, but no, I'm sitting outside in the heat. So I'm working on Mark's book for OTF Presents. It's called Ghosts and Elf. I'm going to be lettering that, so super excited. I always love lettering. I just love working with Mark all the time. He always has such cool stuff. So yeah, go ahead and check it out.